Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a reset with me. I had just got off work and I had a to-do list of things that I wanted to get done around the house, including organizing, deep cleaning. I just love when my house is clean and tidy, and it's just icing on the cake when things are deep cleaned and everything's restocked for the week, so I don't have to stress about that. This is probably one of my favorite videos that I have filmed in a while, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain won't get. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time.
So this is not my normal routine. I don't typically come home from my job and start deep cleaning and organizing. I just happen to have a list of things I wanted to get done this week. I typically pick a Sunday, but I couldn't get things done on Sunday, so I tackled the list today. I had some energy, so why not? And I just love that rewarding feeling at the end.
And have a chat. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to my maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to my maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transit, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
So now we're gonna go ahead and fold a load of laundry. I feel like I have like 3 or 4 loads of laundry to wash every couple of days. I try to wash clothes daily just to keep on top of it, but it doesn't always end up happening. I will end up having a couple of loads that I didn't get to folding. You always get the washing part done and the drying, but it's the folding part.
Your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
So I'm just doing a quick clean today in the bathroom, and then we're going to reorganize my little hygiene cabinet where I keep a lot of my skincare and things like that. Let me know if you've started your decluttering for the new year. I have not. I'm just doing bits and pieces, but I will be coming out with some full decluttering and organizing videos very soon.
Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard or alarmed when I come for you. I need you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong. I don't wanna go alone, no, no, no. I don't wanna go alone. No, I don't wanna go alone.
So here is the pile of stuff that I'm going to throw away, either because it's expired or empty. Feels good to get rid of the things I'm not using, and it just creates more space in that cabinet for easy use.
Your tongue. Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard or alarmed when I come for you. I want you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong, but I don't wanna go alone, no, no, no. I don't wanna go alone. No, I don't wanna go alone.
So I've had these jars on the counter for a while and I don't really use them unless I have bath salts. So I'm gonna go ahead and move those out the way and just put my little jar that I keep my cotton rounds in on the countertop.
Now, in my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep any more. Are we out of time? Will we be swallowed? Don't give up on us now. I can feel you there, where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold. But I will wait and hold my breath till I turn blue, I turn blue, I turn blue, I turn blue, I turn blue. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a little less talking than usual, so definitely leave me some feedback and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.